In this video, I am going to explain 5 of the best organic fertilizers for your vegetable garden that you can use even for your indoor plants. Compost. Compost is an organic fertilizer that produces beneficial bacteria and fungi for your plants. As we are telling you about the organic fertilizer that is needed by vegetable plants, compost to make your soil more fertile and healthy. When you use compost for improving the health of your soil, there is no need for adding chemical fertilizers. Animal manure. Another cheap organic fertilizer that can be used to amend the soil is animal manure. The use of animal manure can make your soil a more effective growing medium for your vegetable crops. If we talk about the macronutrients you can get from manure, it depends on the kind of animal manure you are using. You should never use fresh and hard manure of animals because it can burn your vegetable plants. Number 3. Bone meal. As the name shows, this organic fertilizer is made from creamed animal bones. When you apply this organic fertilizer to your vegetable gardens, your plants will become healthier and stronger. Keep in mind that you can't use bone meal in all situations. The main nutrients your plants will get from bone meal are zinc, magnesium, and iron. Number 4. Blood meal. You should be surprised to know that you can use the blood of animals for making your soil more rich. It is an organic fertilizer and a byproduct. You can use the blood of a cow or any animal that is slaughtered for its meat. The use of blood meal is very easy. Take the blood and dry it to make powder. It contains a high amount of nitrogen with phosphorus and potassium, which is a good source for your plants. Number 5. Worm casting. Worm casting is the waste of earthworms. This is an organic fertilizer. You can also call it worm poop or worm casting manure. The food of worm casting is compost and they make the soil richer by their waste. Worm casting helps to improve the aeration and drainage of soil. When the quality of soil improves, it directly helps in the growth of